how to fix unable to connect to EA servers Madden 26. Now, the first thing that I suggest doing before changing your settings on the PS5 is going to be opening up the browser on your phone, just searching for EA status page and opening up this first page that pops up and making sure that everything is operational. Now, if the issue is not coming from EA's end, then what we can do is go and select settings. Now network. Now go again into settings and set up internet connection. Here, find your Wi-Fi network and just press on the options button. Once you press on it, go into Wi-Fi frequency bands, change this to 5 GHz only. Then go into advanced settings, change the DNS settings to manual. And for the primary DNS, we're going to type 1.1.1.1. And for the secondary DNS, we're going to type 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, you will click on OK. This is going to connect you to the internet, and this should fix the Madden 26 error. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.